This is our Samsung Active Wash with the dryer over there. A very nice washing machine and dryer. Now this is the one that supposedly blows up. I did contact Samsung and I need to go back and touch base with them. But they're supposed to be sending someone out here to check it, and they said that he will probably go ahead and order a new one for us because this one is covered under warranty. I like this one. It's got the bedding feature, which is one of the reasons why we got it. And then we were told not to use it. Got other features over here. You can select your temp, your spin speed, your soil levels. There's a nice little neat sound when it comes on. And it plays a tune whenever it's done washing. This is the dryer. Same thing with it. Turn it on. Does the same thing. Tells you to check the filter. You got a nice little sink here. All you do to turn it on is push this button down here. That button right there. It fills it up, push it again, and it stops. Dumps it down in there. Big drum. Dryer is pretty big. I think this is one of the biggest dryers we have ever owned. It's got the shoe rack. Take it out, you just push it right there and it pops up. And it's the Samsung Active Wash.